The Government of Saint Lucia is set to establish a commission of inquiry into last Saturday's deadly marine collision, aiming to uncover exactly what happened and recommend stronger measures to improve safety on the island's waters. The decision follows the July 18th collision involving two vessels off Anse Cochon, which claimed the lives of 4 St. Lucians and triggered an extensive multi-day search and recovery operation before all those reported missing was accounted for. This incident has renewed national attention on marine safety and emergency response on the island's waterways.
Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre has announced that the Government of Saint Lucia will appoint a commission of inquiry into the circumstances surrounding the tragic marine collision at Anse Cochon involving 2 vessels on July 18, 2026, which claimed the lives of at least 2 St. Lucians. The commission will be formally appointed by the Governor-General and will be chaired by a former high-ranking member of the judiciary. It will also include experts in marine operations, marine safety, as well as a police investigator.
The inquiry is expected to examine the circumstances surrounding the collision, with its findings expected to help inform future maritime safety measures and regulatory improvements.
The Commission will be expected to make recommendations to strengthen maritime safety, improve regulatory oversight, and reduce the risk of similar tragedies in the future.
The Prime Minister said the loss of life has had a profound impact on the country and stressed that the government has a responsibility to establish the facts and ensure meaningful changes emerge from the process. The government's next step will be to publish the Commission's terms of reference, which are expected to outline the scope of the investigation and guide its work in the weeks ahead. I'm Christabel Obi reporting for Hot 7 TV News.